fuck is going on in here on this day? Ow. Oh, I got a mosquito bite. Hello everyone and welcome back to my fucking mosquito bite. Do you see it? It's like right, I don't know, there's just like a red spot now. I got a bad feeling that I need to turn my fan off. It's so incredibly hot in here, you don't even know. I'm gonna die. Look at my beautiful outfit, by the way. Isn't that fashionable? These are actually my sleeves. Yes. Don't mind me having a dark bob today. My hair looks like shit. I haven't washed it. So I'm like, let's wear a wig. If you see lace or like my natural blue hair coming through, you can just enjoy it and just keep it a secret. Because I'm not a professional wig woman. Wig woman. WW. Imagine there would be like a superhero called Wig Woman. It wouldn't be me, that's for sure. But maybe like Nikita or Mikey. I would want them to save my life. To save my wig. Oh my god, yes, they save everybody who has a clockable wig. Okay, enough talking about wigs and hair and clockableness. Today we are here to do another review. I've been doing so many reviews lately. Am I a review channel now? I hope not. But enough talking. Let's do this review. I want to go to sleep. You want to go to sleep. I want to eat something. You want to eat something. So maybe we should just hurry up a little bit. I've got this huge box which was delivered to my workplace and I had to carry it home all the way. Those are the Huda Beauty Demi Mattes. Oh my god, I can balance it on my head. This is gonna come out at the 27th of July. I mean, I don't think that this is coming out. I think this is like the PR packaging. Yeah, Huda did send me this, but this is gonna be my honest opinion, as always. I don't know why I did that. Let's open her up, or maybe like just slide her out. Oh, hello girls. What's up? Doesn't even fit into the screen. I'm quaking. So this is the packaging. This is the only way I can show you. Yeah, there are a lot of Hudas on there. You can see like the shade names like down here. She basically gave every lipstick a character with these pictures and I think it's such a cute idea. Let's open her up. I don't even know how to show you this. I'm like sunbathing like this. Yeah. This is what it looks like. It's probably not even in focus, but this is already such an amazing review. Oh, I just hit it in my face. So apparently she came out with 15 shades. And this is not like her regular lipstick formula, like the matte ones. This is a demi matte. It's just like a, I don't know, like a glossy velvety formula. We're about to find out. I don't know yet. So I'm not going to swatch all of them on my lips because 15 shades are a lot. I'm so curious what the formula will be like on my lips. So let's jump right in. So let me just pick my favorite shades to show you. Let's do 7, like half of it. I mean, it's not like exactly half of it. I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. So let's start with a light one and I'm gonna start with the shade Shiro. Shiro. Maybe I should shake them. Okay. Right off the bat, it's really pigmented. Okay, you guys, I gotta say, it kind of burns. I mean, it's not like horrible. It feels kind of, I don't know, fresh. Like if there would be like some mint in there or like chili. This is what the lipstick looks like up close. It has a really nice sheen. It's not like super glossy. I really like the shade. Next shade. This is called Game Changer and it is definitely a little more on the pinky side than the one I just tried. I really like how pigmented they are. This one is definitely more on the corally side. I'm not like a huge fan of corally colors, but it did apply very nicely like the other one, and I do like that. I do have the same like tingling sensation. I don't know how to describe this. It does feel fresh on the lips, but you normally just don't feel this kind of freshness on your lips. It's kind of irritating. Next is Provocateur. Why am I pronouncing it like the French way? Provocateur. And this is more like a cool toned, dusty, rosy gray. Ooh, this one looks a little more streaky. Probably because it's darker. This shade is definitely more interesting in my opinion. It does have like a vampy kind of vibe. I also really like the color. I also don't know if I like it with my hair. Wig hair, I don't even know. It's like the same formula like the other ones. Maybe like a little more streaky, but yeah, let's just carry on. Oh, I just spilled like all of my makeup remover into this shade. Ooh, it's gonna remove itself now. Great. It didn't stain my lips that bad. Still looks fine. I want to try like a super light one so you can see what it looks like on my skin tone. So next I'm gonna try Feminist, and I think this is probably the lightest shade out of the whole shade range. I do not like light lipsticks or lip glosses. Everything, anything. I don't like it on myself. Why would I wear light lipstick? I could just wear my normal lip color. It doesn't look that light in the bottle. It's not that light. This looks like the first lipstick I tried. This really looks like the first one I tried. Here's like a side-to-side comparison of Shiro and Feminist. Let me just swatch these like right next to each other so I can see. The fuck? The actual fuck? These look exactly the same. And now that I look at the bottle, they also look exactly the same. I don't know if you can see it because there's like a lot of reflection of my lights on them, but this is the same shade. Do you see how similar they look? There's like no way this was on purpose. I hope you can see this. It does say Feminist and Shiro, so it actually should be two different shades. This is Feminist. Does this look like this color? I don't think so. What the fuck is going on in here on this day? Let's just make this clear. I'm not that mad about it because she sent me this. I didn't spend money on it. Let's be honest here. But if that would happen to someone who paid money for it, this is unacceptable. Unacceptable! Next is Catwalk Killer. It's definitely a little darker, a little more pink, more like dusty rose kind of color. This shade is definitely a little more up my alley. It looks great with the hair, I think, and it looks great in general. I like it. Of all the colors I tried so far, this one is my favorite. I'm running out of cotton pads. This is the shade I'm most excited about. It's the red, called Boy Collector. Not me. I mean, doesn't this look gorgeous? Oh, I'm excited. I mean, just look at it. It's just such a sexy red. I just love this color. This is my favorite one yet. Even though it's just red, it's just perfect. I don't want to take it off. I mean, I might have overdrawn a little bit too much. I look like a clown. Like Ronald McDonald. Damn it. Okay, next one. Let's try Passionista. Okay, so this is very pink, or maybe like magenta. I like it. It's cute. I wouldn't wear it on a daily basis. I probably would never wear it, but it's cute. Okay, the last one is Boz. And it is probably the darkest shade. Yeah, it is the darkest shade. I love dark lipsticks. It's just how it is. I love the shade. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, and I just realized the foundation on my nose is wearing off. It's just too hot in here, guys. I swear. Okay. So let's do our final thoughts. The Huda Beauty Demi Mattes are Jeffree Star approved. I'm just kidding, I'm not Jeffree Star, or maybe I am. Okay, you guys, so the Huda Beauty Demi Mattes are great. They're not really matte. I mean, I wouldn't even say they're demi mattes. In my opinion, they're just glossy. I like the formula. It's really pigmented, really opaque. Like with every lipstick, I just had to dip in twice. I think sometimes even just once, like with the light ones. This is amazing. Like I like how pigmented they are. I also kind of get used to the minty, fresh, kind of burning sensation. It was very strong at the beginning and now I don't really feel it anymore. Maybe I just got used to it. I don't know. As I tried on my hand, they are not kiss proof. Of course they aren't. They are glossy, demi matte, whatever. Of course, you also gotta be careful to not get it on your teeth because that's not cute. So maybe you should do like this, you know? Oh, that was weird. Too late, guys. It's too late. I also gotta say, it's a little scandalous that I got the same shade twice. It kind of irritates me that there's like the right sticker, but not the right liquid in there. So I'm a little scared that this could happen to other people too, but the formula is the same with all of them. Like there's no inconsistency. It's always a great formula. My favorites were Boy Collector and Boss, these two shades. I mean, they are probably the boldest ones out of the collection, but these are definitely my faves. If you prefer totally, completely matte lipsticks, these are not for you. Let me say that. I got so much lipstick on my teeth. These were my final thoughts, bitch. Also, I want to know, out of all the lipsticks I tried today, what was your favorite? Yes, you. Let me know. Write it down in the comments. Thank you. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. I know I haven't eaten in this video. I'm sorry. I just didn't have time for it yet. I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna eat something. So don't worry, I'm okay. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. This is fashion!